Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, I am going to show you guys how can you customize your screen timeout in your Vivo phone. As you want to customize your screen timeout, so guys you can customize. And guys, now let's see how to customize screen timeout in our Vivo phone. In this video guys, I am going to show you guys. So guys, now let's see how to customize screen timeout. So first of all guys, open your phone setting to customize screen timeout. And guys, scroll it and guys you can see your display and brightness. So I tap here. I'm really sorry for the sound. And guys you can see your screen timeout. So guys tap here. Guys you can change your screen time. Oh guys, you can customize your screen timeout from here, like 30 seconds, 1 minute, 2 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes. Guys, if we take like this 1 minute, so I suppose guys your phone screen is on, and guys so after a minute, 1 minute guys your phone screen will off. So you want to customize yourself like 5 minutes. So guys again come here to customize it, and guys click on screen timeout side, and guys 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes guys your phone screen will off. So you can customize yourself guys. This time guys you think guys it is good for you, so you can customize yourself. So I hope friends you have understood how to customize screen timeout in Vivo phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. So guys, now we will return guys next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.